also we have the smaller one. Then just now we introduce the product. And this one, it is with the other models, and also you can see here with the power indicated for the power on, and so with the 3 gear to show the wind powers, and also the indicated light to show it is the main power, and also with the route with the ring light function. You can touch the buttons to turn it on and off, and even touch again you can adjust the brightness for the ring light around.
Yes.
And also with the timing function, you can also make the timing such as like 1 hour and 3 hours and 5 hours as you need. And this one also can use with the triple, right?
Yes.
Yes. You can see here with the triple use for the product, right? Yes. But this two one is the same model, right? Yes. Also this one with the ring light.
Yes, has the ring light. And we would like to introduce this because we have the triple here.
Yes.
And as you can see, it can have has the different function and indicate, and also in the light in the back that has the
Yes.
2 port.
Yes. The 2 port. Also the input and output function, right?
Yes, because this one has the 10,000 that big capacity of the battery.
Yeah.
So it can also become a power bank for you to using in the outdoor activity. And the packing list of this product is the triple and the menu and the USB cable.
Yes.
And also the using menu. The menu in the 2 languages, the Chinese and the English. In the menu, it will show you how to use this product and some install statement and some notice.
Yes. And some reference. Right. Yes. And some notice and some product information.
Yes.
Yes. And you can also customize the local language for the menu.
Yes.
Because the English is used worldwide, so by default we only support the English menu, right?
If you want to put using it in the Spanish or the French or others language is also available. You can share your ideas to us, and we'll add the information or the message you need on the menu. And this one also available for print logo on this here. As you can see, you can print your own logo on the or the patterns about your company is also available. We have the different types of printing method, right?
Yes. And such as the laser painting for the single colors.
Yes, maybe the
logo. Yes.
grid.
Yes. But the laser painting can only just print your logo in the single colors, but it is
has the different color according to the battery of the product.
Yes, and it with the prominent, right? Yes, and we also support to customize the logos with the multiple color. Yes, and if you want to make a colorful logo, yes, it is also okay. We can also do this. And besides, we can also print your logo on the color box by the heat transfer processing or the painting process. Yes, and this one is also okay, right?
Yes, if you want to design your own pattern of the packing box, is also available. Maybe you can contact us to see and the different costs of the product, and we will calculate the fit and the freight for you. And after introduce such the camping light and camping lamp same with the triple. We have the others kinds of outdoor fan.
Yes, such as
Introduced from